Round. Are you ready? Are you ready? Team Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So I'm here again with another cleaning video. So I was supposed to actually clean this room on Saturday, but I went away for the weekend. I went to visit family, so I came back on Sunday and I was like, you know what, I'm not going to lay down in this bed because I was supposed to change this bed, clean the room on Saturday, wash everything. But since I wasn't home, I thought, okay, now I'm back home. I'm still gonna do a quick cleanup. It wouldn't take me long. Longest 30 minutes, I'm done. So let me just get into this. I'm just going to change the entire bed, remove the bed sheets and put everything in the washer, just change everything. So this is what I am doing. So my son was like, are you not tired? You guys can see I was laughing. He was like, are you not tired? We just came back home. I thought you said you were tired. Actually, I always said I'm tired, but I can't just function when things are supposed to be done and they are not done. And yeah, I just can't. So right now I'm trying to turn the bed. This is something I learned in school long time ago when I was studying nursing. And whenever you clean your room, you change your bed. Whenever it's time for you to change your bed sheets, if you want your mattress to last for longer, and you also want to have a good night's sleep on your bed, um, make sure you rotate your bed every single time that you are changing the bed sheets. So this is something I have been doing now for like God know how long. I have been doing this, so it's something I'm used to doing. I don't see it as a big deal anymore. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So for me, cleaning is like a therapy. I really enjoy cleaning. Actually, I function when the environment is clean. When everywhere is clean, I can function properly. I function properly when the space is clean. As you guys can see, there are two bed sheets on the bed. I like to have one on the bottom and I have to have another bed sheet on the top, even though I have mattress protector. But sometimes I do eat in bed. Sometimes I have breakfast in bed. Sometimes I do work, edit videos on my bed, especially in the weekend. I'll just bring my laptop upstairs and I'll be in bed. I'll be editing. I'll be eating. And sometimes I do accidentally drop things on the bed like tea, coffee, or something. Not coffee, but like chocolate milk. And to prevent the bed not from having stain or anything, I have a mattress protector and I like to double the bed sheet just so that I don't mess my mattress, because this mattress, I love this mattress. I got this mattress very expensive. It was an expensive mattress. So I'm really trying to protect my mattress so that it doesn't spoil. That's the reason why. But anyway, so yeah, I like to double sheets. Now I've changed the bed sheets, put a clean one. I'm not ready to put on the pillowcase. My son is still disturbing me. He's coming to disturb me like, are you not tired? I thought you said you want to rest. And I'm like, boy, just get out. This is my room. I'm the one who's going to sleep in this room. I need to clean it, you know. I like to actually change my bed sheets every week, you know, every Saturday. That's something I've given myself. Every Saturday I like to change it. Sometimes if I have the energy, I would prefer to do it on Friday. After work, come back home, rest a little bit. I like to do it on Friday. And then Saturday, if I have anywhere to go, then I'll go. And then Sunday for me is actually a rest day. I like to do the things that I want to do for Sunday. I like to do them on Saturday so that Sunday I can rest, like cooking, cleaning, do whatever I needed to, whatever needs to be done. I like to do it Saturday and Friday. and then Sunday is resting day. But yeah, this weekend we went to family, so it was like, yeah, let me just come back home. And I was very tired Friday when we were leaving. I was kind of tired because I need to pack some stuff, and I was a little bit tired to clean before leaving. So I thought when we come back home, I will do the remaining, because I have been doing the cleaning during the week, little by little. I cleaned the bathroom, I cleaned the toilet downstairs, the kitchen, the living room, and the only space that remained was my bedroom, because the kids, they clean their own room. The girls, they clean their own room. My son, he cleaned his own room, so I don't really have to check those, except the girls. Sometimes I do need to check, like when it's time for like deep cleaning, because I like to do like really deep cleaning where I will push everything aside and really go underneath the bed. Those are things I do like once a month in a girl's room. But like the normal everyday wiping stuff, sweeping the floor, my daughter, she does that, because I have this really toy hand vacuum that I purchased. So her choice in the house is to make sure her and her little sister use that vacuum, that mini vacuum, to clean their bedroom and also vacuum the steps. So she is 9 years. She always wants to do things in the house. So her little takia, her little cleaning thing is to clean the stairs. So she has to make sure the stairs is always clean. And with a little vacuum, you charge it, and it's really easy. So that is the job that I have given to her, and she loves it. She loves it. She feels so happy. She feels so proud when she's cleaning the steps. She's like, yeah, mama, I've cleaned the step. Everything's looking clean. I'm like, yeah, I'm so proud of you. So yeah, so that's it. So she's really happy. So I'm happy she's happy. At least she have something doing. She finds something doing. So for her room, for the girls' room, they keep it clean, and then once a month I'll do general cleaning. I'll do like a deep cleaning, took everything out. Not out, but like shift things aside, and then really go in and clean everything really nicely. So yeah. The only places where I focus more is the living room, the kitchen, the bathroom downstairs, because I like those places to be like clean, even the bathroom upstairs and my bedroom. I don't know, I function more better when the house is clean, and I love cleaning. It's something I really love doing. When everywhere is clean, it just feels so good. It feels really, really good. So I got this little blankets from the TK Maxx. I really loved it. It just gave it a different, it just had give the bedroom a different vibe, and I just loved it. I just loved it. So I'm just trying to organize everything, and then I'm going to quickly vacuum. I'm always changing my bedroom, so maybe the next cleaning video you guys are going to see I've changed things around. So this is something I do. I like to sprinkle some baking soda on the floor, on the carpet, and then go in with a really, like, you can, the vacuum I have, you can set the pressure, you can set it higher, lower, and then I'll go in like really high pressure and then kind of vacuum everything. And I really, really love it. And I also love them when you use the baking soda, it kind of gave the carpet this really fresh smell, like this really fresh smell, and I really loved it. So I did it once, and I was like, I think I poured something on the floor. I don't know what I was drinking, and then I accidentally poured it on the carpet. So, and I took baking soda, and baking soda with vinegar. Put it in a spray bottle, and I sprayed the area where I pour the thing on the floor, and then I took a towel, a warm towel with warm water, and I kind of wipe it, and then after I sprinkle some baking soda, so that's the stain. And I really love the smell, and I was like, wow, I love the freshness of the baking soda on the carpet. So since then, I don't do it every single time, but I do it once in a while. Whenever I'm cleaning the carpet, I like to go in with some baking soda, and I love that. And also, what I like to do, I like to drop some peppermint and tea tree oil on the carpets. Especially now we're in the kind of like winter time. We were in the in the winter time because I have this allergic problem where my nose is blocked and something cold, and that freshness of the peppermint and the tea tree on the carpets, it just smells amazing. So this is something that I love doing. So I have this closet here, and it has this mirror, and yeah, sometimes it's kind of difficult to go in between because the closet is like really close to the bed. Excuse my nose, excuse me, I'm kind of a bit underneath, not the weather, but I'm having like, when you have hooikoorts. Hooikoorts is like an allergic reaction. In English they call it high fever, but it's not like I'm having fever, I'm not sick, I'm just having like allergic reaction. So my nose is kind of like runny, but I'm not sick. So it's kind of crazy, I don't even know. So that's what I'm having. So yeah, I'm just kind of clean everywhere, and after I'm done cleaning, I'll just go and take some shower and just relax. So yeah, trying to organize everything. Like I tell you guys, I like everything to be perfect. I'm a little bit of perfection freak or something. But it just so feels good when everything is just organized. It's just looking nice. It's smelling fresh. It feels good. I feel really, really good. And I really enjoy just cleaning the house, This is my own, it is my own space. It's my own, secret space. So I really like it to be clean and organized, everything to be packed. I like an organized place. I really don't like to keep things that if I'm not using that thing, I'm throwing things out. Like I throw things out a lot. I really don't have time to be keeping stuff that I'm not using. If I know I'm this particular thing that I'm not using it, I'm throwing it out. Yeah, I just like a clean space, making sure everywhere is clean, it's organized, there's not a lot of bunch of stuff standing around that I'm not using, they're just there. I don't really have energy for that. So now I'm just gonna clean, round up with the vacuum, just vacuum everywhere, and then yeah, it was really, really simple. 30 minutes, that's all I need to clean this bedroom. It's very, very quick. And then after that, I just go ahead and take shower, go downstairs, relax myself. So, and then I know the next day I don't have to do this again, because if I didn't do it today, I eventually have to do it. So it doesn't make any sense. So instead, let me just do it today. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going in with some few drops of peppermint. Like I told you guys, I love peppermint. So I'm just dropping some few drop of peppermint on the carpet, and then you close the door. When you come in, the smell, it's amazing. So this is me. I finished taking shower. I wear my PJ. Yes, that's my PJ. That's my one piece PJ. It's just amazing. And I'm just going downstairs to play some game. My elder brother went to Africa and with my wife, so they came back and they brought me this this game we call Ludo, if you're Sierra Leonean. And so I want to go and play that one downstairs and just have some fun. So guys, this is it. This is my cleaning video. Hope you all enjoy this video. Let me know what you think in the comment box. If you have any questions, let me know. And feel free to send me a WhatsApp message if you have any question. If you're feeling too shy to put your question in the comment box. My WhatsApp number is also in the description box. Thank you all so much for your love and support. And I'll see you all on my next video. So now I'm just randomly checking things before going downstairs. Heel erg bedankt for your liefde and understanding. And these were all the delicious meal that my wife and my brother brought from Africa. And we're just playing game. This is Ludo. We're playing the game, and I'm eating. We are eating. It was a beautiful night. Thank you guys. Peace.